Look, every single video on your feed is telling you the thing if you want to make extra money. They are saying things like, start a web design agency, or write blogs, or do complex coding. Let us be honest for a second. If you are new to this, most of that advice is useless. It requires much technical skill, or you are competing with a lot of people who have been doing it for years. It is frustrating. If you are trying to figure out how to earn money from home, it feels like nobody is giving you a straight answer. What if I told you there is a different way to look at this? A method where you can earn money from home without any experience, or showing your face, or using your own voice on camera. I am talking about building a targeted content asset using automation tools. Now, before you get overwhelmed, just hang with me for a second. In this video, I'm going to break down the step-by-step blueprint so you can start this hustle today. If you want to skip the learning curve and automate the boring stuff, I have pinned a link to Syllaby in the comments. It is the tool for automating this process and creating faceless videos in minutes. Also, if you are new here and want strategies to build an online income, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I am dropping breakdowns every week to help you scale your automated platforms. All right, let us get into how this works. So the first thing you need to understand is that you cannot just make content. You need a focus, what we call a micro niche. Think about it like this. Of doing broad fitness tips, you could focus on home workouts for busy moms over 40. This is where ChatGPT comes in to save you a ton of guesswork. You just open up ChatGPT, type in a prompt like, give me 10 low-competition niches for a faceless YouTube channel. Let it do its thing. It will spit out a list. Look for things that have an audience but are not flooded with creators yet. The key here is consistency. Picking a tight niche makes it easier for the algorithm to figure out who your audience is. Successfully learning how to earn money from home is about keeping things small and focused first. Once you have your niche, the real bottleneck is figuring out what videos to make. Like, what are people typing into the search bar? If you want to skip hours of keyword research, that is what Syllaby does. It shows you the questions people are asking in your industry, so you can make content that will get views. All right, once you have your topic, you need a script. This is where most beginners mess up. They just ask ChatGPT to write a script. What happens? The AI spits out a robotic script that sounds like a college textbook. If you upload that, people will click away within 5 seconds. To make this work, you need to prompt ChatGPT to sound like a real human. You want to give it a prompt like, write an engaging script on my topic. Use a tone. Start with a strong hook. Use short sentences and sprinkle in natural pauses. See the difference? Now you are getting content that flows naturally. Here's the next issue. A 10-minute script is long, and managing all those text files can get messy. That is why using a workflow tool is a game changer. If you check out Syllaby, you will see it has a built-in AI script generator optimized for social media retention. Speaking of retention, if you are enjoying this breakdown, take a second to hit that subscribe button. I am dropping videos to help you navigate AI tools and scale your digital platforms. Okay, so you have your script. Now, how do we turn this text into a video without turning on a camera or picking up a microphone? In the past, you had to find a text-to-speech software, download the audio, go to a stock video site, and spend 6 hours syncing them up. It was a headache. Now you can use automated video tools to do the heavy lifting. You feed your script into the software. It generates custom cinematic scenes that match your script. It keeps character consistency, adds transitions, and even generates hyper-realistic AI voiceovers. This is how people are running channels entirely by themselves. They are not video editors. They are just leveraging systems. If you want the tool that combines ideation, script writing, voice cloning, and visual generation, click the link for Syllaby. It is designed for beginners to create content with zero background. Now let us talk about how this becomes a paying side hustle. How do you get paid? Most beginners think you have to wait until you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to join the YouTube Partner Program. If you want to make money from week one, you combine this strategy with affiliate marketing. You find a software or digital product in your niche that offers a recurring commission. You put your affiliate link in the description and pinned comment of your Faceless videos. When your automated videos start picking up views, a percentage of people will click your link and buy. Boom! You are making money way before you ever get monetized by YouTube itself. It is about creating an asset pipeline. Once you find a workflow that takes you 15 minutes of video of 5 hours, you can scale. You can post in times a week, or even run multiple Faceless channels in different niches. Let us do a recap of the formula. First, remember that trying to earn money from home does not mean you need to be a tech wizard. Second, find a demand. Low competition micro niche using ChatGPT or Syllaby. Third, generate a human-sounding script. Fourth, use automated AI video tools to build visuals and audio. Fifth, monetize early with affiliate offers and scale it out. Seriously, the barrier to entry has never been lower. If you want to start this strategy today without the learning curve, go to the pinned comment, click the Syllaby link, and grab your trial. It is the shortcut to automate this entire process. If you found this helpful, please hit the button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical AI wealth strategies. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.